Not looking forward to this job, but it's time to get my hands dirty. And obviously, before you are going to work on the machine, always unplug it. And I'll just start at the top here and work my way down. And as you can see, this job was long overdue. And this is such a mess. I am going to take this part off. And I think that it's quite funny that such a small machine has such big power, because this really is a perfect polishing machine. And I think that this mess shows why it's so important to have a decent suction system, because you don't want to be breathing in all this dust and debris. And before continuing cleaning on the inside, let's disconnect these two pieces and change the filters. And I can't find the correct wrench, so I'm just going to use this one. So let's take this off. And we can clean it all together. Not going anywhere near the wired part, but I do want to clean out this fan. I'll take out the filter as well. And as you can see, this is really saturated, so you can clean this up or replace it by another filter. I don't have any other filters in stock, so I am going to clean this up under a running faucet, and I am only going to reapply it after it's completely dry. I washed and cleaned these parts. Now let's clean up this part here. And now let's reattach everything. And we are first going to place the back side on the machine, and afterwards we are going to add the filter. And this one is a bit fiddly because I need both my hands. I am placing the ring back first, then this small one, and finally this top part. And I'm going to place all four of them on here before I am going to tighten them. I'll firmly reattach everything. And we can replace the filter. And I'll repeat for the other steps. And of course, if you don't want to clean the back and the only thing you want to do is replace the filter, then you can get it off like this. But I want to do the big cleanup. And now on to cleaning the machine itself, and then we can put everything back together. And this one almost looks brand new. I got this polishing machine at Herens & Herens, and it's a very powerful polishing machine. If you do want to order one, make sure that you get one with the suction system, because that's really very important for your health. And if you do want to order something at Herens & Herens, know that you can always receive a nice discount with the code Estona5 on all of their tools.